Hi,
Yeah.
who are you and what do you do?
Yes, hello, my name is Tom Schroeder, Schroeder Exteriors. We're a commercial roofing contractor. We almost exclusively install the Duro-Last roofing system. We put the roof on here at Pastor Paul's church 5, 6 years ago, something like that, and he called me up with a leak. And it turns out they had a window that fell. There was a plexiglass up there that fell, and it came crashing down right in a puddle of water. And it was just a matter of getting everything cleaned up, getting the water out of here, and patching it all up for them.
So what are you doing right now? How does this actually work that you're doing?
Well, what we do is we get the material, all the water off, all the debris, get the material really, really clean, and then we put another piece of material right over the holes. It's a quick, permanent patch, and he won't have any problems with this for the duration of the warranty.
And how long is a warranty, Tom?
The warranty on this roof is 15 years. It includes materials, labor, and any consequential damage due to failure of our system. But of course, if you have almost all of the callbacks we have are third-party damage. Windows falling, signs falling, commercial buildings just have a lot of things that can go wrong. Mechanical contractors do damage, but we always come out and take care of the problem. And with this system, it's such an easy fix because you just clean it up and you put another patch right over it, and it's part of the existing system, and it works really well.
So customer service is a big deal for people, especially in roofing, because it can cause a lot of damage with leaking.
Oh, absolutely. And Pastor Paul, I've done a couple of projects for him, and he's a really good customer. And I was like take care of him. Like we talked about getting all the debris off of the roof once a year, just to make sure that everything is clean, the drains are clear.
Kind of the maintenance stuff.
Yeah, just make sure that your investment is sound, and it stays sound with what with what you have to do for maintenance on a yearly basis. It's all a couple of minutes a year is pretty much all it is.
How can people get a hold of you, Tom?
You can contact me directly at my cell phone number. I do all the estimating, and I work on most of the jobs that we do. My cell phone number is 763-438-9648, and my website is schroederexteriors.com.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming out, and
You're welcome.
yeah, what a great job. Thank you.